It's your boy Myth. Check it. We slaves to media, mental slaves. We're slaves to media, slaves to paper, slaves to jobs, slaves to stars, fat life, mansions, and foreign cars. Slaves to media, slaves to paper, slaves to stars, slaves to fat life, mansions, and foreign cars. Uh-huh. Yeah. Back with another one. Check it. Check it. My people, we live in greed, work jobs we hate, to buy shit we don't need without a college degree. I can't provide for my seat. Everybody chasing the paper says PhD. There ain't no guarantee we gonna get a job that we agree with. But if we don't go to college, you ain't gonna be shit. That was the statistics and media says. We slaves, slaves to media, slaves to paper, slaves to jobs, slaves to stars, slaves to the fast life, mansions, and foreign cars. We got drunks at the bars wishing they were rich. Beautiful women showing their body having sex and showing tits. The media says you gotta have a six-pack stomach or big breasts. Most women and men are fake. They got implants in their chest. Rappers like Mo Dep, Talib Common have a commentary political and have effect on the youth. Most rappers talk about money, hoes, and drugs, which pushes off, follow from the truth. The truth is, people prey on the young and influential while they in their presidential suite, eating gourmet meals. You on the street hustling for money and clothes to buy the latest rap CD. Life's a bitch, didn't know you'd be feeding the rich. But you remember this, we media slaves, slaves to media, slaves to paper, slaves to star, slaves to fat life, mansions, and foreign cars, slaves to paper, slaves to media, slaves to star, slaves to the fat life and foreign cars. Mental slaves, not physical. Yeah.